Okay, so we are going to start our practice today. Uh, we'll practice Sukshma Vyama, but in different angles. Okay, how we'll practice? Means जैसे सूक्ष्म व्यायाम होते हैं, so as per our syllabus, उसी हिसाब से हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. But एग्जाम के टाइम पे they may ask you to perform सूक्ष्म व्यायाम for neck. So if they are asking to perform Sukshma Vyama for neck, then we need to perform Grivasakti Vikasaka. And apart from Grivasakti Vikasaka, if there is any other exercises involved, we need to practice. So we'll practice all the things today. Means Grivasakti Vikasa and other exercises also, or neck exercises also we will do. So today I'm going to invite that, our instructor, Ananya. She will help you to understand all the processes and practices. Okay, so all are ready? Okay. Okay. So first we will start with Grivasakti Vikasaka. For Grivasakti Vikasaka, attach your both legs. Hands will be side of your body. Then twist your head towards right side. 1 and 2, left side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to straight. Now we'll go for next practice, that is Grivasakti Vikasaka 2. Touch your chin with your sternum knot. Slowly head back 1 and down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to straight. Now put your head back on back side and left first. Left side 1 and 180. 2, right side. No. Stop. Touch your chin with your sternal knot and from left to right, 180. Left to right and touch the chin, the sternal knot, and then reverse. 2, 3, left to right, and then right to left. 4, 5, 6, reverse. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, Grivasakti Vikasaka 4. Try to neck. Now, inhale and expand your abdomen. Exhale and pull. 2. Okay. This is 1. Just like this, we need to perform 25 times. So, inhale and expand your abdomen and exhale and pull. 25 times. Count yourself and practice yourself. Hands will be side of your body. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. All fingers together. All fingers together. Inhale and expand your abdomen. Exhale and twist. Inhale and expand your abdomen. And exhale and twist. 25 times. Look in front of your wall and continue your practice. After 25 times, stop your practice. Okay, after 25 times, this is Grivasakti Vikasaka 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is as per our syllabus Sukshma Vyama. If in examination they are asking to perform Sukshma Vyama, so Sukshma Vyama for knee. So all these exercises we need to uh, perform, and apart from that, we need to perform other exercises also. Just we need to do just head bending, neck bending, just towards left side left one, and right 2, 3, 3, left 4, right 5, 6, 7, अगली सामने देखो 8, 9, 10. Okay, come back to sit. Now, we can do the next exercise. That place your head by hand, by right hand, press it. The cervical exercises. By right hand first, press it. 1, 2, 3. Release. By left hand, press 1, 2, 3. From back. 1, 2, 3. From front. 1, 2, 3. From down. 1, 2, 3. Again, by right hand. 1, 2, 3. By left hand. 1, 2, 3. From back. 1, 2, 3. From front. 1, 2, 3. From down. 1, 2, 3. Release. Okay. Now we'll go for our shoulder. Bhujavadi Shakti Vikasana. First with right hand, slowly inhale and raise your hand above your head, and do not touch your arms with your ear. Okay. Okay. So then down. 2 up, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Now left hand, start. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Okay. Now both hands together. Slowly. Start. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Okay. Release. Okay. Next is Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasana. Sasank ji, बैठ के नहीं होगा practice. You should stand because the process is standing position. So you need to stand. So next is Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasana. Right hand twist up, inhale and hold your breath, and then rotate clockwise. Start. 1, as many as you can. Then rotate. After completion of rotation, forcefully exhale. Okay. This is 1. So just like this, practice 5 times. Continue practice 5 times. Right hand, no left hand. Right hand only. First right hand clockwise. Then we have to go for left hand. Right hand clockwise. Continue. Okay. Now right hand anti-clockwise. Inhale and hold and go for reverse. कंटिन्यू 5 times. After completion of right hand, we go for left hand. Left hand fist lock. Inhale and hold, repeat, and start. Clockwise rotation. Continue. There is no boundary. ये 10 बार 5 बार करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. जितने बार आप घुमा सकते उतने बार घुमाएंगे. फिर सांस छोड़ने के टाइम पे सामने छोड़ देंगे फोर्सफुली. कंटिन्यू. आपका थर्ड टाइम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. लेफ्ट हैंड का एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. कंटिन्यू. As per your own capacity, rotate your hand. Five times. Okay. Now both hands together. Fist lock. Inhale and hold and start rotation. Continue. Okay. So anti-clockwise. Inhale and hold. This is also 5 times. Anti-clockwise. Okay. Next, we'll go for. ये तो हो गया हमारा सूक्ष्म व्यायाम फॉर शोल्डर. तो अभी दूसरा जितना भी एक्सरसाइजेज है फॉर शोल्डर हम लोग कुछ इसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं. बाकी आप लोग भी शायद बहुत कुछ जानते होंगे. सो जस्ट दाहिना लेफ्ट हैंड सामने, राइट हैंड से उसको ऐसे खींचना है. हो देगा. 1 2 3 4 5. रिलीज. देन लेफ्ट हैंड राइट हैंड, फिर उसको लेफ्ट हैंड से पुल करना है. पुल. 1 2 3 4 5. रिलीज. Again, change. Right hand. 1 2 3 4 5. Change. Again, दूसरा. Pull. 1 2 3 4 5. Release. Change. Other side. Pull it up. 1 2 3 4 5. Release. Okay. One more time. 1 2 3 4 5. Release. Okay. Now put your hand on back and push it back. पीछे से इसको पीछे की तरफ धक्का लगाना है. इसको ऐसे पीछे, मतलब सामने की तरफ नहीं, मतलब इस साइड में नहीं, पीछे की तरफ. ओके. 1 2 3. रिलीज. वन मोर टाइम. सेम हैंड. 1 2 3. रिलीज. चेंज योर हैंड. उसको भी वैसे पीछे की तरफ धक्का देना है. 1, 2, 3. Release. One more time. Push it back. 1, 2, 3. Release. Now left hand again. इसको right side में pull करना है. Pull it up on right. 1, 2, 3. Release. Change. 1, 2, 3. Release. Change. 1, 2, 3. Release. Change. 1, 2, 3. Release. Release your hand. Okay. Then we can go for next exercise. Just hands will be on shoulder level. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, then push back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सामने की तरफ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then inhale and hands up above your head. And exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Release. Interlock finger. Samne. Then reverse. 1, 2. Other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. Release. Release your hand. Up. So all this exercise we can add with the first shoulder region. Okay. Now next we'll go for our trunk. Kati Shakti Vikasaka will practice. First we'll go for Kati Shakti Vikasaka. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1A. Hold your right, do fist up on your right hand. Hold it by your left hand on your back. Then inhale and arch back. Exhale and down. Bend forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now change your hand. Left hand, hold it by your right hand. Inhale and arch back. Exhale and bend forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now, Kati Shakti Vikasaka 2. For 2, we need to practice. Spread your leg more than 3 feet apart up to shoulder level and hold you. Attach your all fingers. Place it on your back. Thumbs should be visible from front. सामने से आर्म्स को देखना चाहिए. So inhale and arch back. Exhale and bend forward. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back to center. Now, Koti Shakti Vikasaka 3. Both leg together. This is robotics. Both hands will be side of your body. All fingers will be attached. Inhale and out back. 1. And exhale and down. 2, 3, 4. सामने नहीं बाहर जाएगा हाथ, पीछे जब जाएगा तब उठ जाएगा. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Come back. Okay. Now, Kati Shakti Vikasaka 4A. 4A. Both hands shoulder level. Both leg attached. Bend towards left side. First leg. And right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now hands will be on back position only. Spread your leg 2 feet apart or 1 shoulder level gap. And bend towards left side. Try to catch your calf muscle on left. 1 and 2 right side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now drop your hands. Now, Kati Shakti Vikasaka 5. Just twist yourself towards right side first. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now we go for next अभ्यास. अच्छा, काम के लिए सभी अभ्यास हो गए हैं. So we'll go for other exercises. Some exercises. Just hip rotation. Hip rotation from left to right. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Now we'll go for next abhyas. Both leg attached. हाथ कमर पे रहेगा. Then spread your leg left side. Okay. Okay. First is flexion and extension. Means forward and then backward. Up, forward 1, down, back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Then change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now sidewise. First left leg, left side up, abduction and adduction. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Now leg rotation, left leg. सामने से and then rotation. Start. 1, 2, make a circle with your leg. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Other leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. So now we'll go for next practice. That is next Sukshma Vyama. That is Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2A. Utkatashan. Inhale and sit and stay as much as you can. जितना टाइम रह सकते हैं उतना टाइम रहेंगे. Then slowly come back. Continue your practice. Five times. 5 बार करना है. Now, Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2B. Inhale, heel and toes should be attached and knee should be wide as much as you can. And stay. 1, 2, 3, as much as you can. And then slowly come back. Count yourself, stay there with hold of breath. Practice per time. Continue. After 5 times, after practice, we'll go for next practice for knee. Hold your left leg. Then inhale and stretch up. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Now rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Change your leg. Inhale and stretch up. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now, turn left to right. Left leg back. Then slowly up. 1, and do not touch on ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Other leg. Then start. 1, up and then down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Okay. Now we go for next practice. All these are for our knee. Okay. So next we'll go for Padamula Shakti Vikasana for our heel. Both hands will be side of your body. Come on toe ke upar aana hai. Then skipping 25 times. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Now spot jump 25 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sanjay Yogji, you should practice. Okay, stop. After 25 times, stop the practice. Okay, next we'll go for Gulfa Padakrishna Padadala Shakti Vikas. Spread your right toe forward, right. Then rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Change your leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Few more exercises for our toe. Just spread your left leg up. Then toe. Left side 1, right side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then up and down. Up 1, down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Change your leg. Left and right. Left 1, right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. So all this about Sukshma Vyama and some loosening exercises for our all the joints. Now we go for today we will practice Sthula Vyama and Surya Namaskar. So Sthula Vyama, both legs shoulder level. Fist lock your both hands. सर्वांग पुष्टि. सिर के ऊपर हाथ रहेगा. Inhale up. Left hand forward. Okay. Turn first left side and bend down. Change your hand position. Inhale and from back to right side. 2. Change your hand position. Inhale. पीछे से होके फिर left side. 5, 6. Slowly back and then other side. Change your hand position. Inhale. Back to left. Change your hand position. Inhale. Back to right side. Change your hand position. Inhale to left side. Change your hand position. Inhale left to right side. Slowly inhale and come back to stand. Drop your hands. Both legs together. Turn left or right side. Breathe gati. Fist lock. Hold your left leg and left hand. Okay. Just like this. And 2, other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now we go for Surya Namaskar. Stand in front of the mat. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. 10 steps Surya Namaskar. Both legs attached. Inhale and arch back. 1. Exhale and down forward. 2. 3. Right leg back. 4. Left leg back. Parvatasana. 5. Sashtanga Namaskar. 6. Bhujangasana. 7. Parvatasana. 8. Right leg in between your hand. 9. Padavastasana. 10. Arch back. Come back to Namaskar Mudra. Now we go for dynamic. Inhale, arch back. Hastuttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Bhamna Sanchalan. Exhale, left leg back. Parvatasana. Inhale, exhale. Sashtanga Namaskar. Knee down, chest down. Hip up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg in between your hand. Dakshina Sanchalan. Padahastasana. Hastuttanasana. Arch back. Okay, dynamic. 2. Down forward. 3. Right leg back. 4. 5. Sashtanga Namaskar. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come back. Relax. Okay. So today we are going to practice few different kind of asana. All will be some balancing posture. This is not in our syllabus also, but you may practice during the examination. Okay. So you may choose because all these asanas will be looks to good. So we going to practice some asana. Okay. Before that, we will go for Sripuri Dantasana. Both legs apart, hands will be side of the body, or be niche. Drop, drop. Then head back, just like this, and deeply inhale and deeply exhale. Deeply inhale and deeply exhale. 3 times. Deeply inhale and deeply exhale. And relax your whole body from toe to head. Then come back. Attach your both legs. First, we'll go for Natarajasana. Hold your right toe. ऐसे पैर का हाथ हाथ से पैर पकड़ लेना है. Other hands will be in सामने वैसे ही मुद्रा में. Then exhale and down as much as you can and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Down your hand, leg, change your leg, other side. Hold it. दूसरा हाथ सामने. Exhale and down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. अगर किसी को हेल्प करना है तो यहाँ से पैर में पकड़ के ऐसे पकड़ के इसको हेल्प कर सकते. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Release. Change other side. Again. Hold your right toe by right hand. बाएं हाथ सामने. Exhale and down. और किसी को जैसे हेल्प करने के लिए बोले वैसे किससे हेल्प करना है. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Change other side. दूसरा हाथ सामने. Exhale and down. Back straight. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Now we'll go for next asana, that is Chatuskonasana. Done. Okay. Hold your right toe by right hand. Inhale and stretch up. यहाँ पे भी अगर हेल्प करना है तो पीछे से जस्ट कहीं पे भी पकड़ के हाथ भी पकड़ सकते हैं और पैर का यहाँ पे भी पकड़ के उनको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. We can help you just like this. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Change your leg. Left leg. Inhale and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Drop your hand. Change. Again, other side. Inhale and stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Change other side. Inhale and stretch up and stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice. नहीं होने से भी try करना है. 9, 10. Drop. Okay. Now we'll go for next practice. That is single leg Utkatasana. Hold your right leg and place it on your left thigh. दोनों हाथ सामने. Exhale and sit. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Release. Change other side. Inhale and sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Other side. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Exhale and sit. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Okay. Now we go for Sula Dandasana. First, right leg ऊपर उठाएंगे एंड दोनों हाथों को ऐसे सामने फैला रखें एंड पूरा शरीर एक ही लेवल पे स्टे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Other side. अभी इनके थोड़ा दूसरा टेक्निक से करेंगे. Inhale and raise your both hands above your head. दोनों हाथ सामने सामने ऊपर. हाँ. And then exhale and down. And पीछे का पैर. Yes. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Other side. Left leg up. Down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Release your hand. Now we'll go for key balance. दोनों हाथ शोल्डर लेवल. एक्सेल एंड डाउन. ये भी सेम है पूरा शरीर और लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा बैलेंस ज्यादा होता है. तो स्टे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Out. Now we go for splitting our leg. We split our leg first towards left side. Left side थोड़ा घूम जाएंगे and then slowly down as much as you can. जिसका जितना हो रहा है वो आज इसके लिए वही सही है. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दोनों हाथ अगर कोई ऐसे रह पाए हैं तो slowly inhale and hands up. Exhale and down. सामने की तरफ झुकेंगे. Stay 1, 2. और नो ठीक है. सामने की तरफ झुकने की कोशिश करो. हाथ वहां पे रहने दो. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. पीछे की तरफ झुकेंगे ऐसे. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Drop your hands. Come back to stand. धीरे धीरे खड़ा हो जाएंगे. Then change your side. Other side. Down. Stay 1, 2, 3, जो जिस पोजीशन में है वही आज के लिए सही है. डोंट थिंक अबाउट टू मच. वन. Okay, now slowly inhale and both hands up above your head. Exhale and down. Try to touch your forehead, a knee, and stay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Slowly inhale and out. Slowly bend back. One, two, three, four, five. Come back. Release your hands. Slowly come back. Sit. Okay. Now we'll go for next practice. Parvatasana. मैट पे कोई एक साइड में चले जाएंगे. Inhale and hands up above your head. Exhale and down. Bend forward. Scroll forward. Heel दोनों जमीन पे टच होना चाहिए. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. अभी यहां से पीछे लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर बढ़ा देंगे. लेफ्ट लेग आप. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Change. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Now we'll go for next practice, that is Ardha Pucha Mayurasana or Ardha Mayurasana. Hold your elbow and try to touch your head on ground, and heel will be on ground. Do not bend your knee. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Stand out. Go and plank. Go and plank. Hold and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On both hands. Palm. Yes. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll go for next asana, that is stay. Okay. Hold your right leg. सामने सामने सामने. Sit sit. बैठ जाओ वहां से. हाँ. पूरा पूरा पूरा. लेफ्ट पैर ऊपर. Straight straight. आसपास साइड में. पूरा बॉडी स्ट्रेट. राज कपतासन. Head back. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Both hands up above your head. Come back. Exhale and down forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Release your hand. Change your leg. Head back. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Straight. Inhale and hands up. दोनों हाथ सिर के ऊपर. Exhale and down. Bend forward. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and up. Release your hands. Release the leg. Up. Very good. Sit in Vajrasana. We'll go for Ustrasana. Stand on your knee. Both hands shoulder level. Then inhale and hold your ankle one by one. Leg and then slowly right. Head back and stay. Head back, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. One more time. Inhale and up back. Hold. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Okay. Now we'll go for Sasakasana. Both legs attached. Back down. Both legs attached. Head will be, forehead will be in between your knee. Hold your heel. heel को पकड़ लेना है और सांस छोड़ते हुए बेंड फॉरवर्ड. Tip of your head will be on ground. Inhale and up. Tip को उठाना है. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Inhale and come back. Once more. Exhale and down. Inhale and be position. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Slowly release. Release your leg one by one. We'll sit for Dandasana. Both hands will be side of the body. Straight the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Okay. Now lie down on back. Feet के बल पे सो जाएंगे. We'll go for Sarvangasana. Be prepared for Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana. We'll go for Sarvangasana. Both hands will be side of the body. Slowly inhale and raise your both leg up. Completely stand on your shoulder. Completely straight. Tora. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Back पहले. Yes. Slowly down. Sit down. Slowly release. Now we go for next asana, that is Matsasana. By support of your hand, put your head slowly up. दोनों हाथ. सरल मत्स्यासन. Stay. 1, 2, 3. elbow जमीन पे टच होगा. elbow should touch on ground. Slowly हाथ के बल से हेड को रिलीज कर देंगे. By support of your hand, release your head. Now we go for Halasana. Slowly inhale and both leg up. Exhale and down. Try to touch your toe on ground and hands should be on ground. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Release your leg. Very good. Now again, we go for the same practice. Halasana. Inhale, down, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Release. Now we'll go for next asana, that is Viparit Karani Mudra or Viparit Karani Asana. So for Viparit Karani, दोनों पैर उठाएंगे, पूरा शोल्डर के ऊपर, कमर पे हाथ रहेगा, and toe should be parallel to the forehead. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Slowly release. Once more, we'll go for the same. Slowly inhale and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Now we'll go for Chakrasana on lying down. हाथ पीछे. Slowly inhale and out. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Once more again. Inhale and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Release your leg. Now we'll go for next practice. But before going to the next practice, we'll go for Savasana for this. Breathing. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale. 3 times. Deep inhale and relax your full body. Deeply exhale and relax. Deep inhale and relax your body. Deeply exhale and relax. Deep inhale and deeply exhale. Deeply inhale. Deeply exhale. Now attach your both legs. Attach your both hands by side of your body. Calm yourself and lie down on abdomen. पेट के बल पे सो जाएंगे. Now we'll go for Bhujangasana. Both hands shoulder level. Inhale and out. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again, inhale and out. Speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now release your hand. Place it under your thigh. Both leg up. Speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Release your hand. We'll go for Dhanurasana. Hold your ankle. Yes. No. Hold ankle or two. If you are flexible enough, then we may hold your toe. And then slowly inhale and up. Speak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Once more again. Inhale and up. Speak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Release. Release your leg. Rest in Makarasana. मकरासन में सो जाएंगे दोनों पैर का पंजा दोनों साइड में. Then slowly inhale and slowly exhale. Relax your whole body. Now slowly come back. Both legs attached. Turn left or right side and come back to sit. We'll go for pranayama practice. Okay. We'll go for pranayama practice. Sit in rigidity posture. Close your eyes. We'll go for Kapalbhati. 60 stroke. Start. After 60 stroke, we'll go for Anulom Vilam. 3 down. Adapt Nasika Mudra. Inhale completely. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. And exhale from left. Continue more 2 rounds. Practice yourself. After 3 rounds, Anulom Vilom, you may drop your hand. Now we'll go for Sitali Pranayama. 5 rounds, you may fold your tongue with roll or you may fold your tongue just like this. So start your practice. After 5 rounds, we'll go for Bhramari. We'll go for Bhramari. 3 rounds, कान बंद कर लेंगे. Place your fingers on your eyeball. Slowly inhale and produce Naukara 3 times. Now we'll go for closing prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani passantu, ma kaschid dukkhavaag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Grab your palms. When it's little warm, take a smooth massage on your eyeball and face, and with a gentle smile, open your eyes. Thank you everyone for participating. Thank you.